Want to zoom in on anything on your iPhone screen, whether it's text, photos, or buttons? Let's set up the zoom accessibility feature so you can see everything clearly. And before we begin, hit that subscribe button for more iPhone tips that make your screen work for you. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Step 3. Now tap Zoom. You'll find it in the Vision section. Step 4. Toggle on Zoom. Your screen will immediately zoom in and you'll see a small controller appear. This helps you move around the screen. Step 5. To move around, drag with 3 fingers. To adjust zoom level, double tap and drag with 3 fingers up or down. You can go back into zoom settings to adjust how far in you want to zoom. Choose full screen or window zoom and even set up a shortcut to turn zoom on or off quickly. And that's it. Whether you need a little extra clarity or want total control over your screen, Zoom puts power in your fingertips. Make sure to subscribe for more iPhone accessibility tips that help you get the most out of your device.